Okay, so oh my goodness. So the boys found their dolls and they found the things in the windows. Oh my goodness. So they were already kind of on to me, but Jace was pretty scared of Pennywise. I better get it out of the window right now. So anyways, I will keep them for later, and Pennywise just might show up in other places before Halloween. The dolls made a debut, and oh, Jaren said it didn't scare him. Although when Jaren went down to the bathroom to see what was going on with Jace, he turned on the light and it screamed and Jaren ducked because he thought oh, I was gonna get him. Anyways, so the one in Jaren's window, I think it startled him, but he laughed and thought it was pretty cool. So then I put it on and went and scared my husband with it. The dolls just might make an appearance in other places before Halloween. We'll see. And we'll see if the boys can find whatever else I've hidden for Halloween. So happy Halloween. And again, too bad I couldn't videotape their responses, but take it from me. Like I said, Mom, I think she's like one, I lost count. The boy 0. And now they're scared to go to bed. Oh, the life of teenage boys and their mom. Good night and happy Halloween.